Unit 9, adding inflectional endings to words ending in Y. Let's take a look at these words: life, goose, people, dozen, and scissors. Remember that we learned some words have unusual spellings for their plural forms. Some of these words are already in their plural form. Some are not. See if you can decide which ones are already in their plural form. People and scissors are already in their plural form. Now think about, did it have a change, a word change, or did it change an F to a V? Well, let's think about people. What is the singular word for people? It's person, so that was a complete word change. How about scissors? Does anything happen to the plural form? It actually stays the same. There is no change. I either have one pair of scissors or I have two pairs of scissors. It does not change. Now look at life. Do you think it goes in the no change? It's a complete word change where the F turns into a V. If you said the F turns into a V, you were correct. Life will turn into lives. Okay, let's think about dozen. I have 1 dozen or I have 12 dozen. There's no change. And our last word, goose. A goose, 3 should be geese. It is a complete word change. This week we are going to learn about adding inflectional endings to words ending in a Y. Adding the ending changes the tense of the verbs. Let's read these words together. Enjoy and carry. Both of these words are verbs. If I want the verb to mean that I am doing something right now, I need to add ing. To add the ending to both words, I just add ing without changing the spelling. Enjoying, carrying. If I want these verbs to tell something I did in the past, I need to add ed. The word enjoy ends with a vowel plus a y. I don't change the spelling of the base word, but just add the ending. The word carry ends with a consonant plus a y. Before I add the ed ending, I need to change the y to an I and then add ed. I can also show that I am doing these words in the present. Enjoys. There's no change, I just add the S. But for carries, I need to remember to change the Y to an I and then add ES. Read these two words to yourself. Display and copy. Do you think you can add the inflectional ending on your own? See if you can add the inflectional ending S to make displays and copies. Which one has a spelling change? The word copy needed to drop the Y, add the I, ES. So it had the spelling change. See if you can add the inflectional ending S to the word annoy and deny. Let's review our rule for the week, adding inflectional endings to words with Y. Words with a vowel plus the letter Y, just add the ending. So for example, the base word enjoy, to add an S, it becomes ENJOYS. To become enjoyed, you just add the ED, or enjoying, just add ING. Words with a consonant plus the letter Y, just add ING. So for example, study turns into studying. Words with consonant plus the letter Y, drop the Y and add IES or IED. As you read this week, look for words that have inflectional endings.